just asking a small question. So, for your React app, so what are the third parties libraries you are using in your project?
Third party. We have used Axios,
Mm-hmm.
React Router. Mm,
So, we use Redux, correct, in our app. So, those kind of things comes with the third party libraries in your React. Redux also you might heard about in the React.
yeah, I heard Redux, but I don't have much practical
Hmm.
thing on Redux. I
Okay,
just know how it works. Yeah.
okay. Okay. So, have you given? So, okay. So, what we can do, we can start with first JavaScript, then we'll move to some React question as well.
Yeah.
And I will give you one small example to implement in React. So, you can use code sandbox or something, anything. So, over there, you can write a small challenge over there. I will give you a small challenge to
Oh,
create some
oh,
input and on. If you are okay, then we can proceed that as well. If you are not able to do, then you can solve that later as well, not the problem.
okay. Okay.
Okay. Okay. So, uh, have you heard about callbacks in JavaScript?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. What is
Uh,
the use of it?
yeah. A callback is a function which takes a function as an argument.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Using this, we can get access to asynchronous operations in JavaScript.
Okay. And why we need a asynchronous operation in JavaScript? Any reason?
Um, Asynchronous.
Okay. So, you might know about JavaScript is synchronous or asynchronous.
Yeah, JavaScript is a synchronous
Okay.
single-threaded
So,
language.
okay. So, if you write a line one by one, correct? So, your code will execute in synchronous manner. In that way,
Yeah.
your execution will take too much time to load the content in the DOM. So, that is why we need asynchronous. Okay.
Oh,
So that is
okay.
the,
Okay.
yeah. So that is the one reason we use asynchronous. And to make the asynchronous programming, we use multiple ways. So callback is the one of the way of it. Do you know
Okay.
anything
Okay.
apart from callback we can use to make asynchronous?
Uh, we use promises, async await.
Okay. And what is the better, promise or async and await?
Mm, oh, I think promise.
Okay. And why?
Um,
So mostly both are the same. Okay. So in the async and await, we write our code in a much cleaner way instead of writing multiple promise dot then and all. So you can block
oh,
your execution in a function anywhere whenever we are you if you use await before your any promise or any API call. So at that time it will wait for it. Okay.
yeah. Yeah.
So
Oh,
in your React app, you are calling Axios package you are using, correct, to get the data and the send the data to the backend. Any
yeah.
do you know any other JavaScript things we can use to get the data from the backend instead of using Axios?
JavaScript fetch API we can use.
Okay. And what it is returns?
It returns a promise.
Okay. So how we get the data from that promise?
We can access it using .then. The result we can access it using .then.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, using inside async, if we write await fetch and the URL we want to pass, and the result we can access using .then method of promise.
Okay. Correct. Okay. So do you know any difference between event capturing and event bubbling?
Yeah, event bubbling actually it follows bottom to top approach. In case if there is an event handler on it, it executes the self handler first and then its parent and then followed by the rest of the ancestors. Event capturing is top to bottom approach, I guess.
And what about
Ca-
bubbling?
Bubbling is bottom to top approach.
Hmm. Okay. So to stop that, what we use?
Event dot stop propagation.
Okay. And if you have two buttons and you have right the that stop propagation. Okay. So how it will work for that single button? If you have multiple buttons, if you write one at the place, stop propagation for that button, so it will stop for that button. But for other button, what will happen? So do you know what we can use over there?
For the other button, yeah, we can use this event delegation.
Okay. Yeah.
Uh,
So that is the one
and
way to do handle all these things. So I'm asking about stop immediate propagation. So that is the one way
okay.
we can use. Okay, no problem. So, are you you are saying about some event delegation. So, why we use event delegation?
It's to better handle the event handling. So event delegation is where we add an event listener to the parent,
Mm-hmm.
and we can instead of adding event listener to every single and similar element, we just add it to the parent, and whenever the event triggers, we can access it using dot target value.
Event with target, correct?
Yeah, event dot target of the child.
Okay, correct. Okay. So, can you share your screen? I will give you one array, and can you open JS Fiddle?
Okay, give me a minute. Actually, this takes time to load. Oh, is my screen visible?
Yes, I can. Okay. So, create one variable with a number or anything. Let num equal to 30.
Okay.
Okay. I will give you open scenarios first. Okay. I
Oh,
want all the even numbers in single array till 30. So how can we get? So did you get the question?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. So how can we get the even numbers in the single array? So write down the code for that.
And we can take some array, one empty array, and a
Before if something is required over there. Yeah.
for from 1 to 30, right?
Yep.
Right. So if I percentile to equal to 0, then we will push this I inside array dot. I don't know if it is
They-
correct, but I'm just trying.
Yeah, that is correct. That there is an option to make the code as a tidy. Click on that. Where you are writing your code, there is an option below box. Yeah, yeah. So
Okay,
yeah, click on that. Okay, so you
okay,
have syntax error first of all. After 30, you should be using semicolon, not the comma. After 30,
okay, okay,
now run this.
okay. Okay,
Okay.
process.
Yeah. So now I have pasted the small code in the chat window. Open that.
Okay, the console log statement.
Yes. Copy that and paste it over here. And just tell me the what will be the output of it.
Okay,
What will be the output
mm,
of this?
let's concatenate the string minus.
Are we concatenating or something else? Because there is no plus in A and B.
Yeah, yeah.
So what operator we talk to this?
Minus. mm,
So we are trying to do uh, string to number conversion with a unary operator. Okay. So we
Oh,
usually say to unary operator. Okay.
okay.
So what would be the output then?
Unit convert string to number. I'm not sure.
Okay. It is not a number. Run that code.
Okay, okay,
NAM. Okay.
okay.
Play around with that console later. So you will know that why it is printing it is not a
Mm-hmm.
number. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Do you know what is the use of the type of operator in JavaScript?
Yeah. To know the type of whatever we specify.
Okay. And what is the use of the prototype in JavaScript?
Prototype. Actually, I think we can use it for memory saving and inheritance purpose.
Okay.